All right, boys and girls, just like we did before, we're going to work to unscramble these sight words. They are the sight words we learned this week, so that's a big hint. There's only 6 of them, so try and think of some of those words when you're trying to rearrange these letters. Let's see. What word could we make with these letters? It starts with a J. This is the word just. J-U-S-T. Just. All right, let's try the next one. What word could this be? It starts with an O. O-N-L-Y. Only. Great job. This one only has 2 letters. It starts with a D. D-O. Do. I bet you got that one. Let's try the next one. What could this be? It starts with a W. W-E-N-T. Went. Great job. How about this one? It starts with a D. D-O-W-N. Down. Let's keep going. How about this one? This one starts with an L. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Great job, boys and girls. Now we have this Scramble worksheet. You're going to find this document in the same place that you clicked on the video. You can either complete this online and write the words right under it, or you can print it and do it on your own. The words are up here in the box, so you have a hint up there. Try and see if you can unscramble all of these sight words. Good luck!